Grace from Shirong Company. We are specializing microfiber towel and we are good suppliers in Alibaba. Today, I will introduce our hot sales products, microfiber towel. Yeah, like this. The size in my hand is 40 by 40, and we can customize the different size and GSM weight for you. The components is 80% polyester, 20% polyamide. Our towel has super water absorption and lint-free. Now I will make a testing for you. First, I will test the water absorption. Yeah, that's 150 water. You see that? Our towel absorbed all of the water. Yeah, next we'll test lint-free. I need to use the clear tape. Can you see that? Lint-free. Yes, above is our microfiber towel. If you have demands, please contact with us. Okay?